Okay student, good morning students. So we are doing chapter, which chapter we are doing? Chapter 5, growing plant. Yes, chapter 5 we are doing growing plant. On that chapter, that day I have shown you flower, and I have shown you the parts of the flower and what is incomplete flower and when we say complete flower. Today you will know about from flower to fruit. From flower to fruit. How fruits grow up from flower to fruits. So you know that you have seen that sometime what happened, insect used to sit on the flower. You have seen insect, they sit in that flower. What does insect do when they sit on that flower? They collect the nectar from the flower. Yes, they collect the nectar, the sweet juice which present in the flower, they collect it. Why insects sit in the flower? You have seen in your house also, in your garden, anywhere you have seen that if beautiful flowers are there, colorful flower, insect used to sit on that flower. Why they sit on that flower? Because insect, they collect what? Sweet juice from that flower. They collect sweet juice from that flower. Understood? And what is that is known as? That we call nectar. What we call that? Nectar. When an insect sits in flower, some of the pollen grain, you have seen yellow pollen grains are there in the flower. So some of the pollen grains stick on it. Insect, they will sit on that. Some pollen grains stick on it. So you are seeing this one flower is here. In this flower what happened? One bee is sitting here. Yes. Why is bee sitting here? Because bee is collecting sweet juice from this flower. What we call that? Nectar. What we call nectar. So when bee sit here, then in the body of the bee, what happened? Some pollen grain stick to it. Some pollen grain stick on that body, insect's body. The insect carry the pollen grain. What happened? Insect, after taking a sweet juice, insect go away from that flower, flew it from that flower. So what that insect doing? Carrying that pollen grain. Okay, carry the pollen grain to the stigma of another flower. Carrying the pollen grain to the stigma of another flower. Understood? To the same kind. To the same kind. And this process is called transferring a pollen grain from the stigma to stamen to stigma. Okay, stamen to stigma is called pollination. This is known as what? Pollination. Understood what is pollination? What is pollination? Insect sit in that flower collecting a sweet juice from that flower. After collecting sweet juice, insect go away from that flower. But what happened? In flower, when they sit, they collect the sweet juice and some pollen grain stick on their body, and they carry that and they flew away, they go away from that flower and they sit on the same kind of another flower. What they do? That insect again sit on the same kind of another flower. Then what happened? The insect carry the pollen grain to the stigma of the another flower. Okay? This process of transferring pollen grain from the stamen to the stigma is called pollination. What is pollination? Transferring of pollen grain to stigma to the transferring of pollen grain from the stamen to the stigma. Transferring of pollen grain from the stamen to the stigma is called pollination. Clear? The pollen grain grow a tube that move from the stigma. So after this, what happened? Fertilization happened. After pollination, what happened there? Fertilization happens. So pollination is clear to you all. What is pollination? How this process started? This process is done by insect. How? When insects sit on any colorful flower, they collect the sweet juice from that flower. That is known as what? That sweet juice is known nectar. They are collecting nectar. Okay. After collecting that nectar, the insect also collects some pollen grain because it sticks on their body, and they take some pollen grain and they go away from that flower. They sit on the other flower of same kind. They sit on the other flower same kind, carrying the pollen grain to the stigma of the another flower. What they do? They carrying the pollen grain insect carrying the pollen grain to the stigma of the another flower of the same kind. Understood? This process transferring of pollen grain from the stamen to stigma is called a pollination. Transferring of pollen grain from what? From stigma to stamen. From stamen to stigma. Transferring of pollen grain from stamen to stigma is called pollination. Understood? What is pollination? Clear? Transferring of what? Transferring of stamen to the stigma. Transferring of stamen to the stigma is called pollination. Now it is clear, student? Next class I will teach you what is fertilization. Next class I will teach you what is fertilization and structure of seed. Okay? Till today, till here only. Okay, student, by next class we will teach other thing. Okay, bye.